Yes, you guys, the open house was a success. Cintia Calixte, she gave an amazing tour. You know what? How about you check it out right now?
My name is Cintia.
And what you gonna do today, Cintia?
I'll show everybody her house.
All right.
Come on, let's see the real house. See? Da-da. This is her new house. She has a new bench. This is her new table.
Okay.
And this is a new closet we can hide. This is storage.
Storage?
Yeah.
Let's see.
And this is a bedroom and a new bathroom. This is a water.
That works.
And this is a new quiet carriage and cake. So this is a fruit style.
Can we see what the upstairs look like?
Come on. This is a new bear. Here is a new bird. And this is a string.
Don't touch that.
This is a bedroom. And this is a cloth. Come on, Mommy. And we close it and we shut it and we have 3. Come on, let's do it a little bit.
Oh.
This is a new bathroom. We can sit on it. So we can. This is a new gender alike. So this is a new bathroom. Shower hall room. This is a toilet paper. And this is a porch. This is a queen. And this is a light. This is a toilet. This is you can sit there on the bath. Look at me, why?
Cintia,
What?
I just wanted to thank you today for your awesome support at the open house. I really believe we'll make an incredible team.
I'm Scrambler. Oh, Mom was real.
I had a blast, baby.